Truphena Muthoni muiritu okuru wa miaka 22 uria urahimbiirie MUTI mathaa 72 ari kaunti-ini ya NYERI ni acoketie ngatho kuri Akenya aria maramuonirie wendo na aria maranyitire mbaru kioneki giake gia kubunja rekodi ya thi. Muthoni ni ugite ndarari na matanya manene ma gukorwo na urumiriri munene kuma kuri Akenya kuma nenda-ini na aria marekinyitie kaunti-ini ya NYERI kunyitanira nake na kumuhe mwihoko wa kurikia mathaa 72 niguo kubunja rekodi ya thi ya kuhimbiria MUTI.
So I didn't expect people to really respond immediately and in so much love and so fast. I mean, I'm so happy. And I'm so happy for Kenyans, and they supported me. They even made Guinness ratify my previous record so fast because the standard process is so slow. But immediately they started to put pressure on Guinness World Record. My previous world record was ratified.
Muthoni ni ugite giko gia kuhimbiria MUTI githiete makiria ma kubunja rekodi ya thi kuona ni undu wihandite miri witikio-ini wake wa kugacirithia maria maturigiciirie.
We cannot exist without nature, and we're part of the ecosystem. So that's why even if you're spiritual, in the Bible, God created man and he put him in the Garden of Eden. That's how we are programmed to live. Real healing is found in nature.
Oho ni ugite egukorwa akioya mweke uyu gutetera uthaitiri wa maria maturigiciirie na gukuruhania muingi wothe wa bururi hari kugacirithia kioneki giake.
I'll be helping people to achieve what they want to achieve, and I'll use my platform to create the right pathway for advocacy in Kenya and in the world and for young people.
Kiambiriri-ini kia mwaka uyu Muthoni ni abunjire rekodi ya thi ya kuhimbiria MUTI mathaa 48 undu uria wahurirwo mukonde ni ruhonge rwa thi rwa kwandikithia rekodi iria ciabunjwo rwa Guinness World Records.
After completing the attempt, there's a certain process that you're supposed to take on your account, because I have a Guinness World Record account. So they'll need a continuous video so that they can look at their rules against your video, and some few witness statements and timekeeper statements.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.